Hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing a pack opening in my team. This is gonna be the first episode in a series of my team videos. In this video, I'm gonna be opening gold and purple packs, and my goal by the end of the series is to have a all gold, all legend lineup. Okay, well, let's go with the packs. So, I'm gonna be going purple, gold. So, first purple pack, we get Rick Mahorn, silver center. Nothing really else doing on that pack. So, here we got the gold pack. See what we get. Staples Center. See if we get any cool jerseys. And nothing. Alright, well, that was a pretty bad pack. Go with this second gold pack. Maybe we'll get a legend. Maybe. And shot creator. Not the best. Definitely not the best attribute. So now back to the purples. And Sam Vincent. Yeah, he's not very good. I've had him before, but for some reason I sold him. Can't really remember right now why I sold him, but yeah. Probably honestly end up selling him again, because all he's gonna do is sit in my collection, not even getting used. So, U.S. Airways Center. I swear I get that all the time. That's probably the the card I get the most. It's annoying. And Otis Thorpe. Sweet. Never got him before, so now I got a new power forward. At the end of the video, I'll go and look at his attributes, show you guys. So back with the purples. Frank Bukowski? I don't know if I said that right. And yeah, not very good. Nothing really else good in that pack. Lagging a little bit. So next gold pack, another U.S. Airways Center. Post playmaker, I don't think I've ever got that. I'm not sure. Nope, looks like I have. Another stadium. I'm getting a lot of those. Yeah, so I'm planning on spending all the 66 that we started out with, I think. We'll get George Johnson. Those cool Blazers jersey. But yeah, probably spend all of it. Depending if I get a few legends, I might save it for the next pack opening. But yeah. Gold booster. Highlight film. Sixers jersey, pretty cool. Alright, I'm not sure, but I guess there's a limit for the number of, like, attribute cards, I guess. Because, I don't know, 'cause it always makes me sell them, so. Guess I should clear them out, I don't know. A cool Philadelphia jersey back there. Alright, so back to the purple. Jim McMillian, small forward. I might use him, I don't know. And if you guys have any suggestions about the videos or my commentary, since this is my first YouTube video, I'm a little nervous, I guess. And yeah, if you have any comments, just put in the comment section, and I do look at that, so yeah, and advice is always helpful, so. Another gold pack. United Center, I don't think I've got that before. I've got that Cavs jersey so many times, you wouldn't even know. It's just so popular, I don't know. I get it a bunch. Alright, let's see what's happening with purple. We get I don't even know how to say that. Cool Utah jersey there. What is it? Sarunas? It's like a long name. I'm not even gonna try that. So to the golds. Sweet! Robert Parrish. Yes. Now I got a good center to take out that Oster tag guy. Finisher, floor general. See, I guess I gotta sell that, cause sell some of my bronze attribute cards, because I'm not getting to keep any of the gold ones, so I mean I would actually use those. Monty Williams, nothing really good in that pack. See what's happening in this gold booster. No player. Nothing really special in that one. I've opened, like, I'd say about 150k in packs before I got my game capture, and I didn't get jack squat. The only legend I've got, besides the Robert Parrish and Otis Thorpe, was Larry Bird. I was pretty excited about that, but other than that, I haven't got anything. So it's pretty good. Two legends in one pack opening. Hopefully we can get some more. Well, no player. So, since I've been doing pretty good in gold packs, I'm gonna open a few more instead of going straight to the purples again. Celtics Arena, already got that. Latin Night Lakers, they're pretty cool. Yeah, so I'll keep going with the golds a little bit. Shockwave, Posterizing. Yeah. After this pack opening, I guess I'll go clear out my attribute cards so I can keep some of the gold ones. So, yeah, I'll go back to the purples now. Chandler Parsons. I'll sell him for some money. I'll be able to. I'll probably end up selling him for the next pack opening. You know, I gotta plan ahead. So, back to the golds. It's lagging. I don't know why. AT&T Center. I used to get that a lot too. The Airway Center and the AT&T Center. Let's get those a bunch. So, get with the gold booster again. See if we get something good. No player, defensive anchor. No jerseys, nothing really special in that pack. And just in case you don't want to watch this 20-minute long video, I'll probably will put timestamps on it for, like, I don't know, favorite packs and that. So, see what we get in the purple. And we get Greg Foster. Nothing special. Poor Atlanta jersey. I've been getting a lot of cool jerseys lately. To try them out. So now back with the golds. Oh no! We just got trolled. We just got trolled by 2K. Give us a legend, but it's Otis Thorpe. We just got him. You gotta be kidding me. That sucks. That really sucks. Alright, well. Honestly, I don't feel like I'm gonna get any more legends this pack opening. I just feel like, I don't know, that was gonna be the last one or something. So, gold booster. Hopefully I'll get something. No player. Deadeye, the Cavaliers Arena again. Jeez, this is lagging pretty bad. Might be because there's a thunderstorm outside. I don't know. It's never like this. Vincent Askew. Oh, those Timberwolves jerseys are sick. Dang, I'll have to use those. Yeah, I already have Vincent.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Ho. H to the OV. I used to
Getting down to 10K and another US Airways center. Yeah, I don't know, I'm just not feeling it. I don't think we're gonna get anything. Do another gold. Chandler Parsons again. Dang, I don't know if that's ever happened. Get one player, get him again, the same pack opening, then get another player, get him again, same pack opening. But I'll take that 18K. Keep opening packs, you know? So with the season kickoff purple packs, you get Mel Counts. Yeah, not the greatest player, but, you know. So let's go with the gold. Tom Sanders. Sweet. And the Celtics jersey. Huh. Maybe I'll have to do a Celtics game where I just have all Celtics, my whole team is Celtics. Because now that I have Larry Bird, and Tom Sanders, and Robert Parrish, I'm gonna need I can't think of his name now. Oh, this is gonna bother me. I'll think of it, but that center of I don't know. Him, like Paul Pierce, Kevin Garnett, you know, that'd be fun. Let me know if you guys would want to see that in the comment section. This lag is annoying. Sorry, guys. Come on. Alright, finally. Go with the gold again. Alright. Oracle Arena, I don't think I've ever got that before. Pretty cool. Yeah, I haven't got it before. I think I might end it around 13 or 14 because this lag is just annoying me, and just save my VC for the next pack opening. And also tomorrow, probably sometime tomorrow, I have gameplay with my new players. Hopefully. So if you guys want to check that out. Alright, so see what the purple gives us. It would stop lagging and show up. Alright, Judd Buechler. I got him back when I was in like the 7th seed, and I had him for a while, and then I sold him eventually because he wasn't even playing, so I needed the VC anyway. And by the way, I did not buy the VC. Well, originally, I did I guess you could call it a glitch that Shake and Bake put up. And then I bought, like, current players. And then, when I decided to start making videos, I wanted to go more to the legend route. So I sold all of them and it got me my 66. So yeah, I'm just gonna end it here and I'll show you the attributes for the guys that I got. 93, 90 offense and low post offense and defense, pretty good. 90 offensive rebound, 84 defensive. 93 post fadeaway out of Tom Sanders. Doesn't look like the greatest offensive player, but 98 low post defense and 99 durability, 89 strength, 99 hustle, and 95 on ball defense. Yeah, he looks like a defensive guy. So I'll probably start him over Otis Thorpe, just because I need that defensive presence in my lineup. So, anyway guys, this is the end. If you liked it, throw me a like and subscribe. Thanks guys. See ya.